Cryptillions and crypto. Let's try that again. Cryptillions and crypto crackheads. Real quick video. Market's getting hot. I told you in that last video. Holy cow. Bitcoin did not go down to test that line. We're not even, no regard for the weekly 10. Let's just pump this shit again. And I let you know the altcoins are gonna get even hotter. This is gonna get hot. It's already getting hot. And you know, this is the perfect time not to be staring at the anything under the 4 hour. Don't get scared off by, you know, a big red candle on the hour or the 30-minute, you know, unless you are trying to find a good entry point during things that are screaming up. Maybe play the 30-minute 10 on a very aggressive move before it keeps, doubles what its current or screams higher. That's how Bitcoin moves, and Bitcoin's really strong moves. It'll have aggressive 15-minute candles down. What is it doing? It's touching its 10 or its 21. And as the moves get on, it'll come down to touch a higher and a higher and a higher time frame. So at the beginning of the move, it'll only come down to test, like the 15-minute 10. Then it'll scream higher. Then it'll come down to test the 15-minute 21 EMA, which typically aligns roughly with the 30-minute 10 EMA. And so if you're looking at that and you're not used to how it moves, you might be scared. Oh, I see a red candle. No. Look at the EMAs. And a lot of times price just like in long-term moves, when things like to blast off of the daily 21 or the weekly 10, when in really aggressive moves that last, a few days or something, it does the same thing but on a micro scale. So if you see a big fat red candle, candle that goes up this high and then it comes like more than halfway down, all it's doing is coming down to test an EMA on like the 30-minute, the 1 hour, and as the move matures, it'll come down a little farther, then it'll start ranging out, and then that's the time where things are slowing down, when it starts testing things like, a lot of times when it tests the 4 hour 21, you got 1 or 2 moves left. And sometimes with Bitcoin's huge moves, like on a monthly scale, you'll have a week where it goes down to test something real deep, like the 4 hour 200, and then it'll go even higher. But on micro moves like this, don't get scared by candles. But anyway, market's getting hot. MTV on the BTC chart. Price is probably going to close above this 10, and on the BTC chart for the first time in a long time, the red is going to cross. It's already done it. It's already done it on the USDT chart. So this, check this out. It already crossed, right? So there are bots that play both the USDT and the BTC. So if they're going to be playing this, let's say some bots are playing this, well, what do you think is going to happen when bots start turning on that? This could go crazy. Like, this could be a quadfecta pump, So double pump being something like when BTC is rising and a coin rises on it, that's a double pump. But if we get double the bots going, my wife will not leave me alone. If we got, so that double, but then if we have more bots turn on when this crosses, so that's double on top of double, this could be a quadfecta. So VRA is looking hot right now as well. I think SHA, Safe Haven's cooling its tits. Yeah, this has got a lot of room to go. We don't even have divergence on the 4 hour yet. Yeah, we do. Well, no, because this is still a positive slope on the white. So I think we got, it's still pinging off this. So this could go quite a bit higher. Like this green line go way past the white. So VRA is looking good on the 4 hour, and then SHA. Let's see here. Oh yeah, this is getting, this could really take off here. So SHA's just now you know, getting her tits ready. So her tits are now cooled off and ready to warm back up. This could bust right through the all-time high. It might stutter step like it did here, come down to test the 4-hour 10, something like that, or the 4-hour 21, let it catch up and then rise again. So it might take a week or so, but this should scream up. So market's going to be getting hot, folks, and this is really the power of this 10 bag or 20 bag rule in taking profits that I'm talking about. Is, you know, you take some of those profits, you allow yourself the ability to not just catch top ends, but yes, like that's the goal, but you free up some, you know, USDT, some stable coins, for when your coin that you just saw rise is ranging. You know, you could either buy dip if you want to stay in it and catch it up, or you can be scouting out for that next, you know, coin that's having a breakout. So then you can like double your 10 bag or double your 20 bag. And then and sometimes what happens is if you catch a breakout, that coin, catch a breakout there with that 10 or 20 bag, and then you put in limit sells and you get rid of all of it, and now you're holding stable coins again, but more, right? Because it just went up 40%. Now you have, you know, a lot more. That sometimes coincides when your coin that you favor, like BPRO, is hitting a bottom range. Now, not only are you buying back lower than when you sold your 10 bag, but you're buying with more USDT, right? So, you know, a lot of people who are coin loyal, you know, I don't want to sell, hold on. No. You can get more of your coin if you sell some of your coin strategically. So, you know, selling gets you more of it. So anyway, that's what I got for you today. Stay safe out there. Market's getting hot. Don't do anything stupid. And use your MAs. When you see candles getting red, don't get scared. And we'll see you tomorrow.